Motherhood at after 40 completely changed the way I see skincare. Today, I want to talk about something very personal to me. How becoming a mom again in my late 40s completely changed my skincare mindset, my routine, and even my beauty goals. And honestly, I think many women over 40 will relate to this conversation. So let's get into it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kemi. If you are new here, you are always welcome. And on this channel, I focus about skincare, beauty, and now I'm adding motherhood after 40 and real life conversation into my channel. A lot has changed for me since becoming a mom again in my late 40s, including my skincare mindset. There was a time my skincare goals were completely different. I used to focus heavily on skin whitening, faster results, and constantly trying to achieve a certain look, a certain image. But motherhood after 40 changed that for me completely. Between stress, less sleep, hormonal shift, and taking care of a toddler, I started noticing something. My skin was no longer responding well to harsh routines or too many products like I used to use before. My barrier became more sensitive. My skin looks tired more easily. And honestly, I no longer had the energy or the interest of aggressive skincare routine anymore. That was the turning point for me. So instead of chasing lighter skin, I become more focused on healthier looking skin. I spent months focusing mainly on skin barrier repair. Hydration becomes important to me. Repair becomes important to me. Maintaining firmness and glow become more important than trying to constantly change my complexion. And surprisingly, my skin started looking better, started reacting better. One major thing I changed was simplifying my routine because of time. As a toddler mom, I genuinely do not have time for long, complicated routine anymore. So I needed skincare that actually supports my skin instead of stressing it further. Now I focus more on ingredients that helps mature skin stay healthy, hydrated, firm. We need that firm. By the way, if you enjoy honest skincare conversation like this, especially for women over 40s and 50s, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notification because I'll be sharing more realistic beauty and model content on this channel. Some of my favorite ingredients now include niacinamide, because it helps strengthen the skin barrier. It supports uneven skin tone and reduces irritation, so which is something that we face at an older age. Hyaluronic acid, especially because the skin after 40 can lose moisture quickly and dehydration shows faster on the face. Ceramides. This became a major one for me during my barrier repair journey because they help repair and protect the skin barrier. Peptides. I started paying more attention to peptides because they support firmness and help the skin look healthier over a period of time. Retinol, but in a much healthier and controlled way. That's how I use it now. I no longer believe in overdoing active ingredients. I use mainly for texture, collagen support, and skin renewal. Vitamin C, not for bleaching or skin lightening or for changing my complexion, but for brightening, glow, and antioxidant protection. One ingredient I've also grown to love after 40 is salmon DNA because I've noticed my skin responds so much better to ingredients focused on repair, hydration, skin regeneration, and healthy glow rather than the aggressive skincare that I used to use. And honestly, sunscreen became not negotiable for me. One thing I learned after 40 is that mature skin does not recover the same way younger skin does when they get damaged, especially when they get damaged repeatedly. So now my skincare goals is very, very different. I am no longer trying to become somebody else through, changing my complexion. I just want my skin to look healthy, fresh, firm, hydrated, and well maintained. I want to glow. I want healthy texture. I want to age gracefully. I want a skin that reflects good care, not stress. Motherhood also changed my relationship with beauty just mentally. After waiting years to experience this chapter of my life, many things that once felt urgent no longer matter to me the same way. Again, it's just life. So now I choose peace. Peace matters the most. Health matters more. balance matters even more. And interestingly, my skin improved when my mindset changed. So if you are over 40 or even entering your late 30s, please understand this simple information. Your skincare routine should evolve with your life. What works years ago may not be your need right now, may not be your skin need right now. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with shifting your focus from aggressive results to healthy, supported, glowing skin. What I would really love to know is, has your mindset changed as you've gotten older? And what ingredients are working best for your skin right now? Me, I'm still learning. So let's talk in the comments. Give me ideas. I'm open to new ideas. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. And don't forget to share this with someone who needs this kind of conversation. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you in my next one. Stay blessed.